How to add PayPal account to Upwork. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can add PayPal account to Upwork. So let's get right into it. How do you add your PayPal account to Upwork? Note that this process is quick and easy, so kindly watch to the end. The first step is to log in into your Upwork account by typing out the domain name for Upwork, which is www.upwork.com. And then once you're signed in and logged in, move to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. Then in the box displayed, select settings. Alright. After selecting settings, you will be brought to the settings page. On this page, the next step is to move to the left side of the screen. Then scroll down and select the get paid option. It is located below profile settings. After clicking on get paid, you will be brought to this page, the get paid page. Then you can now scroll down and then click on add a method, and then here you can see a box being displayed on the screen. Then you can now click on setup. Alright, this is to link your PayPal to your Upwork account. So just click on setup this way. And after clicking on setup, another window would pop up in the middle of the screen. Once this window has loaded, you will see the instructions telling you that to continue the setup process, you'll be redirected to PayPal, so you can connect the PayPal account you added to Upwork. Make sure the name of the PayPal account matches the name on Upwork. Then you can click on continue. And once you click on continue, you'll be redirected to a page where you'll be asked to input the email address and the password that you used to register with PayPal. Sorry. And then once you've done that, follow the on-screen instructions and your PayPal account will be linked to Upwork. So easy and so direct. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.